Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix a Hisense portable air conditioner leaking water from the bottom. So if your Hisense AC is dripping or leaving puddles underneath, don't worry, it's a common issue. Now here's the solution step by step. Step 1. Turn off and unplug the AC. First things first, turn off the air conditioner. Then unplug it completely from the wall socket. You don't want to work on it while it's powered on. Safety first. Step 2. Drain the water tank. Most of the time, the leak happens because the internal water tank is full. Locate the drain plug or rubber cap at the back or bottom of the unit. Place a shallow pan or tray underneath, then remove the plug and let all the water drain out. If your model has 2 drain ports, drain both to be sure. Step 3. Check the drain plug or seal. Once it's empty, inspect the drain plug or rubber gasket. If it's loose, cracked, or not sealing properly, that's probably why it's leaking. Replace or tighten it securely before running the AC again. Step 4. Clean the filters and coils. Dirty air filters can cause the unit to freeze up and leak when the ice melts. So remove the filters, rinse them with water, and let them dry completely. Wipe down the coils carefully if you see dirt buildup. Step 5. Check the continuous drain hose if installed. If you're using a continuous drain hose, make sure it's not kinked, clogged, or angled upward. The hose should go straight down to let water flow out easily. Step 6. Restart and test the unit. Now, plug the unit back in, turn it on, and run it for a few minutes. Check if any water appears underneath. If it's dry, perfect, your leak is fixed. All right, that's it. You've just learned how to fix a Hisense portable air conditioner leaking water from the bottom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick home repair tutorials.